Welcome to Nifty Notions from Sew Very Easy. My name is Laura and I love fabric glue sticks. And I have a great nifty notion that has a lot to do with the fabric glue stick, but it has nothing to do with the glue. Fabric glue sticks are made by all different types of companies. And what it looks like is a large pencil. And as we use up the glue, we can just twist it and more glue is going to come out. At a certain point, we run out of glue. When you've used up the glue, just continue twisting until the little end comes out. And we're going to be able to remove that end and throw it away. From here, we're going to be able to take the refill, take the lid off, and inside that little end is going to pop right into place. The glue in there will come into the end of the tube just by twisting it, and that glue is going to work its way all the way into the back of these glue pencils. And when the glue gets inside, this just will come out. The refills in pens are intermixable, but it's not the glue that I want to talk about. It's these empty containers that you get after the glue is gone. We end up with an empty tube with a nice strong lid. So I keep all of these empty containers. On the outside of the containers, I just use a Sharpie and I write what's inside. And inside, I can keep sewing needles. It can also hold some small pins. And I do like to use little silk pins, and they fit perfect inside these little tubes. So I've written silk pins. The containers also fit sewing machine needles. And in this case, when I travel, my most popular size is a 70-10. So I can store my sewing machine needles right inside that case. One more thing that I could think of to put in these would be old sewing machine needles, pins, and sewing needles. This is a good way to store them so they don't get lost, and I write right on that container that they're not good to use anymore. So I can now take this to my pharmacy and they can dispose of these sharp pins and needles. These are nice small containers that will fit anywhere for travel, and even the extra one for the old pins and needles. The glue sticks are great on their own, but now we can find a use for those lovely little refill cases. These are definitely very small and very portable. Thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe, and as always, come on back. Let's see what we're sewing next time in the sewing room. Bye for now.